Okay. See now. These ones here. Yeah, I think this is not too bad. You just go with u equals t squared. So that means du dt equals 2t. So that means a half du would equal t dt. So the t and the dt can come together. So it would just be sine u cos u um, and then a half du. So I should change this into a quarter to sine u cos u du. And that would be a quarter. This is a trig rule. Integration of sine 2u du, which is minus a quarter cos 2u over 2 plus c. So that's minus an eighth cos 2t squared plus c. Okay, 280. That's 279. Looks very similar. It looks very, very similar, except this time we'll go with u equals t cubed. That means du dt equals 3t squared. So that means 1/3 du equals t squared dt. And t squared dt is exactly what we have. So that becomes 1/3 integration of cos squared u sine u du. Then we need a second substitution here. We can say v equals cos u. So that means dv du would equal minus sine u. So that means dv equals minus sine u du. So minus dv equals sine u du, which is exactly what we have here. So now the integration becomes 1/3 integrate cos squared u um, minus, and then that's a dv. Oh, then cos squared is 1 minus sine squared u dv. So that's minus 1/3. 1 minus... Oh, actually, I shouldn't have done that because I could change that into minus 1/3 cos squared. So that's v squared dv. So then that would equal minus 1/3 v cubed over 3 plus c, which would equal minus 1/9 cos cubed u plus c, because v is cos u. But then cos u, so that's cos cubed u, but we said u is t cubed, so that's cos cubed t cubed plus c. Okay, I wonder now, maybe I should, I have my graphing software here, or my algebra software here, so I could check the answer. So let's have a peek, because it's an even question, so the answer is not going to be at the back. T squared cos squared t cubed sine t cubed. I think it got a little bit confused, perhaps, of where the square is. T squared cos squared of t cubed. Let's make it super explicit so there can be no possible confusion. Okay, t squared cos t cubed squared sine t cubed. Let us integrate. We'll put the constant as c. Minus 1/9. Yeah, 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 yeah. That checks out. That checks out. Sure, I might as well check the other one while I'm here. T sine t squared cos t squared integrate. Oh. Oh, okay. That can be simplified a bit more. Yeah, you can simplify this because then there's a trig rule for cos double angles. So I don't have to, but if you want to get the 2 out here, you could use there's a rule that says cos 2a equals cos squared minus sine squared. And if we want to get it so that it's just a sine answer, that's 1 minus 2 sine squared. So this would become minus 1/8. But the 1 can get absorbed into the c. 1 minus 2 sine t squared plus c. So that becomes 1/4 sine t squared. And then the c and the minus 1/8 can just be called a new constant, like capital C or something like that. So, yeah. Did I lose my square? Oh, yeah, it's sine squared. I lost my square. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so that's another valid way to write the answer. Yeah, okay.